All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number 1004, Sauer versus Moffitt.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However, that did not. We broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Okay.
All right, everyone. Let's dive into today's courtroom drama. It's a complicated one, with plenty of twists. The video opens with Judge Funderburk presiding over the case of Sauer versus Moffitt. Ms. Sauer is requesting child support from her ex-fiancé, George Moffitt, who legally adopted her 9-year-old son, Travis, back when they were engaged. But here's where it gets tricky. George isn't Travis's biological father, and the two never actually got married, so the big question is, will George still be held financially responsible now that the relationship is over? Or does the fact that they never tied the knot give him an out? This one's packed with emotional tension and legal complexity. Let's see how it all unfolds.
Any objection to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her kid Travis he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid? You adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
adopted
but
him,
you adopted Travis.
I was getting, yes, I did, yes. I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
Okay.
We were intending on marrying. I had a panic attack, Your Honor, a month before the wedding, and I ran out.
Okay.
I left. And we never got married. I don't make a whole lot of money, and
I'm not following you.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you, and I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Probably?
Have you ever done something that you maybe freaked out about? And
yeah, sitting here listening to your story is freaking me out.
Okay.
Ms. Sauer takes the stand and lays out her case. During her engagement to George, he legally adopted her son, Travis. Now that the relationship has ended, she still believes George should help support the child he chose to become a father to, but George sees things differently. He admits to the adoption, but says he barely sees Travis anymore and that his financial situation is tight. Then comes a major reveal. George says he had a panic attack just before their wedding and walked away from it. All that emotional confession shifts the tone in the courtroom. Suddenly, it's not just about legal responsibility. It's about unraveling a painful personal history, so the question lingers. Is George genuinely overwhelmed and struggling? Or is he using his past to avoid responsibility? This case is anything but simple. Let's see where the judge takes it next.
I'm a nice guy. I deliver the mail, you know?
Okay.
I in this neighborhood, actually.
Oh, thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation to support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asked, he asked at night right before right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so, you know.
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Just scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
You know, when I
Mean
adopted,
to him? I mean, what's the... I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
George's defense is all over the place. He talks about delivering mail and being a good guy, but the judge isn't buying it. She reminds him that, legally, Travis is his son, and that comes with responsibility. George brings up his panic attacks, but the judge stays firm. Emotional struggles don't cancel out legal duties then. Things take a turn. Ms. Soar says Travis still misses George and asks about him at night. It's a tender moment that adds heart to the case, so now we're left wondering, are there still feelings here, or is this just about child support?
I feel like, you know, George just, you know, George does have his panic attacks, but, you know, I just want what's best for my son, and, you know, and I want you to be happy too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about you and Travis.
Do you want to,
Do you guys want to get back together?
what do you,
You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your
Okay.
Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and...
Just when it seems this case has reached its peak, the judge throws out a surprising idea. Why don't you two just get married? George doesn't miss a beat. He says he still has the engagement ring. Ms. Soar hesitates, but then, right there in the courtroom, she agrees in a stunning turn of events. Judge Funderburk officiates their wedding on the spot. The child support case dismissed. Under Texas law, married couples don't pay child support to each other. It's a rare feel-good moment in family court. A reminder that sometimes love really does win.
Get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support. Sounds good, right?
oh my gosh, that's so simple.
Keely, are you?
I still have the ring.
I mean, we could get married right now.
You can do that?
Of course.
Okay, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, sure.
Let's, yeah, yes.
Okay. Mr. Moffitt, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well, you guys are married and there is no child support. This is an ending we don't see very often in this court. So once you guys are married, no one pays child support, okay? So if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
After the surprise wedding, Judge Funderburk takes a moment to explain the legal side. In Texas, once parents are married, child support between them is no longer required. This case stands out as a rare example of the law bringing people together instead of pulling them apart. The video wraps with a call to action, inviting viewers to share their own stories and subscribe for more courtroom drama, because at the end of the day, family court isn't just about laws. It's about real people, real relationships, and sometimes the most unexpected happy endings.